Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to quickly calculate percentiles in Power BI, whether it's for analyzing sales performance, exam scores, or any other dataset, then you're in the right place. By the end of today's video, you'll know exactly how to set up percentile calculations in Power BI with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Power BI. If you're brand new, just start the application from your desktop or search for it on your computer. Once you're in Power BI, you'll see your workspace with all your datasets and tables laid out. For this demo, I have a sample dataset ready to go. It doesn't really matter what your data looks like. Percentiles are useful whether you're working with revenue numbers, grades, or any other number-based column. Now let's talk about the formula. In Power BI, percentiles aren't calculated natively as a built-in visualization, but you can asterisk do it using DAX formulas. Specifically, there are two main options: the inclusive percentile formula and the exclusive version. For this tutorial, we're sticking with the inclusive percentile calculation, which uses the percentile function. A quick note on what that means. Inclusive percentiles include the actual data points, so for most business applications, this is the method you'll want to use. It's a bit like making sure every member of the team gets counted when you're figuring out who's in the top 10%. Alright, to create the new percentile measure, simply find your table in the Fields panel on the right-hand side. Right-click that table, you'll see an option that says New Measure. Give that a click. This may take a few seconds to pop up, especially if you're working with a larger dataset, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. With the New Measure window open, now it's time to enter your DAX formula. If you already have a percentile formula handy, maybe you grabbed one from ChatGPT or from the web, you can just copy and paste it in. For this tutorial, let's say you're calculating the 75th percentile of a column called sales amount. Your DAX might look like this. Percentile 75 equals percentile X, Inc. sales table sales amount 0.75. Of course, you can tweak the column name and the percentile value as needed. If you're familiar with DAX or want to tailor it for your scenario, you can also type the formula out manually. Don't worry if you're new to this. As you type, Power BI's formula editor will suggest columns and functions, almost like autocorrect for your data work. After you've created the measure, it's time to show it off. Switch to Report View, which is at the left side of your Power BI window. Find your new percentile measure in the Fields panel and simply drag it onto your report canvas. You can use it in visualizations like cards, tables, or even combine it with other visuals to give more context to your reports. And that's it. Now you've got a dynamic percentile calculation, updating automatically whenever your data changes. And there you go. Calculating percentiles in Power BI is as straightforward as opening your data, adding a measure, and letting DAX do the math for you. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions or run into hiccups, drop a comment below and I'll help out. And if you want more Power BI tips and tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.